This is 39 Newport Street, Savin Hill, Dorchester, 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. They are currently renovating it. It will be ready to move in May the 1st. Here's bedroom number 1. You can look at the beautiful floors. You're paying your own utilities. You're paying your gas and you're paying your electric. But you can see this is the bedroom, first bedroom, really big, nice floors, painted, gas heat, very, very big. Closet in here, shut the door. Bedroom number 1, very, very nice. 3 big windows, well lit. And now we're gonna go to the living room. Again, it's being renovated. They're putting in new kitchens, a new bathroom. There's gonna be 2 bathrooms. There's already one. They're gonna put a half bath and they're gonna put a brand new washer and dryer in the unit. So this is the living room. You can still see, you gotta use your imagination. It's gonna be nice. This is the old kitchen that they're getting rid of. That's the bed, that's the living room. This is bedroom number 2, a little bit smaller, or it could be an office. Bedroom number 2 could be a little office, or it could be a bedroom, but this is more of a twin bed type. Maybe you can put a full size in here. There's a closet in there, so you can see the closet. That's bedroom number 2. You have a closet right here. I'm not sure if they're gonna keep this closet with the laundry in here or not, but there is a closet in here, so I'm not sure. They might put the laundry in here since it's next to the bathroom. This is the first bath. It's a full bath. Full bath, bathroom, full bath. You can see me looking all dapper. That's Mr. Real Estate. There we go. All right, so this is a full bathroom. Now we're gonna go to the 3rd bedroom, which is in the back. Off, this is the living room, and this is the bedroom in the back. So they're split. It's a split. So see how big this is the nice one. You can put a queen in here. You can put a king as well, king size bed. Nice floors, is already painted. Again, you can see all the fixtures. You got 2 windows and a closet. And again, this entire apartment is gonna be renovated. It's gonna look really nice. I've been working with the landlord for a few years. They're very, very good at maintenance. Look at the granite. Oh, this looks marble actually. This is all gonna be white. So keep that in mind. They're putting white, they're doing this whole thing over. Look at how nice that's gonna look. Use your imagination. $3,050. So they're telling me everything's gonna be white. I don't know about the cabinets, but I'm being told that the kitchen will be white. So this back here, I believe this is gonna be a half bath. 100% they're gonna put a half bath in here. And I think laundry will go in here. They are gonna put laundry in the unit, but this is a pantry, but they're taking that pantry and turning it into a bathroom. So you got a half bath here, or maybe a full bath. Well, I'm not quite sure, I'll find out, but you got 2 bathrooms, nevertheless. This is just some of the plans that they're gonna be doing, as you can see. The lighting, the shower. Yeah, this is the bathroom. They're gonna put a toilet and a shower in here. So there we go. Plumbing. They're gonna put a tub in there. So 2 baths. All right. And what's even cooler, you got a little patio back here, little back porch patio thing. So that's cool. You can do some grilling out here. Boom, there it is. 39 Newport Avenue in Dorchester, right near Savin Hill. It's $3,050 per month. You need to bring your first month's rent and your security deposit. We don't want any evictions. We want you to have good credit.